What's up mga kaigang? Ngayon i-unbox natin yung upgrade sa isa sa mga best-selling speaker ng Aurashare. 10,000 to 30 plus na yung kumuha nitong speaker na to sa Shopee at Lazada. Kaya in-upgrade to ng Aurashare. Mas pinaganda pa pero affordable pa rin. Ito ang Aurashare BS01 Max 8 watts Bluetooth speaker. Yung link dito, nandito lang sa left corner ng video natin o kaya check nyo yung description o pinned comment sa baba. Buksan natin dito sa taas. Yun, nandito kagad yung Aurashare BS01 Max. Yan. Lapag muna natin dito. Tapos nandito na rin yung manual. Yan. Tapos meron pang Type-C cable. Okay, tag muna natin yung iba. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. Whoop! Napaka-compact na speaker. Parang halos kasing laki lang to ng mga mug. Tapos meron ng lanyard na nakakabit sa taas. Tapos sa ilalim yung RGB niya. Liit lang nito. Tsaka lightweight, kaya madaling bitbitin. So yun mga kaigang, ito na mismo yung Aurashare BS01 Max. Bale, fabric yung body niya. Yan, palibot. Ganda ng build quality niya. Kahit budget lang, you know. Pakita natin sa camera na malapitan, you know. Ooh, nice. Pero yung speaker niya, yan, dito lang sa harap. Tapos nandito yung Aurashare logo, rubberized. Tapos may lanyard dito sa taas. Dito naman sa ilalim, yan, palibot din yung RGB niya. Makikita natin yan mamaya. So nasa ilalim na rin yung controls nito. Yan, check natin. So ito, rubberized rin to. Tapos dito natin makikita yung volume down, volume up, RGB button. I-hold nyo lang to kung gusto nyo patayin yung RGB. Tapos yan, yung play pause. Nandito na rin yung power button, long press para i-on. Tapos short press kung gusto nyo i-activate yung TWS or True Wireless Stereo Pairing. Tapos yan, pagdating naman dito sa likod niya, meron siyang rubberized cover dito, parang sa waterproofing. Pero wala kasi silang sinabi na waterproof to, kaya mas okay, wag nyo nalang basahin. So yun, buksan natin dito sa likod. Yan, makita natin dito yung micro SD card slot tsaka yung Type-C port for charging. Wala nga lang tong fast charging, syempre para mas maging affordable, kaya abutin ka ng 3 to 4 hours bago ito ma-charge. Pero kaya naman ito tumagal ng up to 6 hours. YouTuber ka ba na may at least 10k subscribers at gusto magkaroon ng 20,000 pesos na commission? Mag-register na kagad dito sa Shopee x YouTube Shopping Program. Yung link nasa description o pinned comment lang sa baba. Make sure ilagay nyo yung YouTube link ko as a referral para maging eligible kayo sa pag-claim ng 20,000 pesos na commission. Lastly, magtag lang kayo ng Shopee products sa at least 40 videos sa YouTube channel nyo. Makikita nyo yan dito sa YouTube Studio. Click nyo yung content, click nyo yung pencil icon or details, at click nyo yung products para makapagtag kayo ng Shopee products sa YouTube videos nyo. Napakadali lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na kagad kayo sa Shopee x YouTube Shopping Program. Yung link niyan nasa description o pinned comment lang sa baba. Okay, on na natin to. Hold lang natin tong power button sa ilalim. Yan. Yes, sir. Yun yung RGB nyo. Kitang-kita. Check pa natin yung ibang modes yan. Pindutin lang natin tong RGB button. Ito maganda, oh. Gradient, parang sa JBL. Ganda ng flow ng RGB nyo. Oh, napaka-smooth. Kita nyo naman. Check pa natin yung iba. Ito, di ko masyadong trip. Hindi masyadong smooth. Ito din. Iba lang ng kulay. Ito, solid color lang, paiba-iba. Ito pwede, nagpe-fade, no? Okay, pa gusto nyo mas makatipid sa battery yan, naka-off yung RGB niya. Pero kung gusto nyo lang pang display, kahit hindi kayo nagmo-music, yan, maganda. Yung gradient, yung flow niya. Oh, palibot. Nice. So wala nga lang tong app support para mas maging affordable, pero since naka-Bluetooth 5.3 na to, meron na tong TWS or True Wireless Stereo Pairing. Ibig sabihin nun, kung meron pa kayo isa nito, pwede nyo silang i-pair wirelessly. Short press nyo lang tong power button dito sa ilalim. Yan. Okay, test na natin to sa music. Yan, kunin natin tong phone natin dito. Munti ko na makalimutan mga kaigang, bago pala tayo mag-music test, make sure naka-earbuds kayo or naka-headphones para mas marinig nyo yung audio ng mas maayos. So yan, naka 50% yung volume natin. Okay, play na natin to.
We don't lie, get the bags in the cash, that's DIY. That's DIY. Ain't no check, get the bags in the cash, that's what I like. That's what I like. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy feel it up, but that hand that bad. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy feel it up, but that hand that. Talking out loud, loud. We talking about loud, loud. We talking out loud, loud. We talking about loud. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Take it up, take it up, take it up. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. We like that. We like that. We like that. We like that.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 80 Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. This life ain't bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life.
We've come so far since we began this love. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground. I love you more each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time, found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time.
SBC lang yung codec nito since budget speaker, pero ang ganda ng tunog ng vocals na tsaka instrumentals, lalo ng mga tunog na cymbals, rinig na rinig. Pagdating naman sa bass, hindi ito yung pinaka main strength nito, no? Tamang-tama lang, well balanced. Given sa price at body niya, mahirap talaga palakasin yung bass nito, pero okay pa rin. Ganda ng blending sa instrumentals tsaka vocals. Pero yun nga, kung gusto nyo talaga yung humahataw yung bass, pwede naman kayo mag-download ng equalizer app dyan. Madami naman sa Android or iOS. Napakadaling bitbitin kasi napaka-lightweight at compact. May RGB, 8 watts power output, TWS at up to 6 hours ang battery life. Yung link dito, nandito lang sa left corner ng video natin o kaya check nyo lang yung description o pin comment sa baba. Kaya kayo mga kaigang, anong masasabi nyo dito sa Oroshare BS01 Max? Comment down below!